Welcome to David Toons Club. Tonight, by the light of a small flame, we'll draw Hornet from Hollow Knight Silksong, delicate, fierce, and wrapped in silken mystery. Ready your pencils, the needle waits. Place 2 small ovals for the eyes close together, centered on the face. Sketch the head as a pointed helmet with 2 long V-shaped ears. Use a gentle center line so the head sits high and elegant. The silhouette reads like a bell and a helmet stacked. That's our Hornet. Legs are 2 thin lines parallel, very long compared to the torso. Add a small backward curve to one leg for balance. The needle is a long diagonal line passing through the body. We'll detail that later. Quick heads up, this is our first Hollow Knight tutorial. I'm planning a playlist of characters, so if you love this world, check the playlist after. If you're drawing along, hit like and drop a candle emoji in the comments. Define the collar as a short funnel, narrow on top, opening to embrace the head. Block the body as a bell-shaped cloak with radial pleats. Final sketch pass and tidy the silhouette and erase any confusing guides. If the design reads at thumbnail size, you're ready. Okay, let's move to the next phase, line art. Trace the helmet, the collar, the bell-shaped cloak, and the long quill-like ears. Refine the helmet's curve so the base narrows into the collar. Eyes are solid black ovals, slightly tilted. Minimalism is the charm here. Avoid clutter. Hornet's face is all about clean, striking shapes. Keep the face minimal. 2 dark eyes speak volumes. Don't chase perfect curves. Gentle irregularities add charm. Tighten the collar pleats. Quick lore break. Hornet was introduced as a fierce protector in the original Hollow Knight, and now stars as the protagonist in Silksong, a game built around her speed and needle-based combat. Games Radar puts it like this. Team Cherry redesigned many levels because Hornet's greater height and agility change how she moves through the world. Expect more acrobatic encounters and faster pacing. If this tutorial inspired you, like and subscribe to David Toons Club. Hornet is a blend of delicacy and deadly poise, from a mysterious lineage in Hallownest to her own silk-stained journey in Silksong. Ink the needle, a thin blade, sharp point, and the circular ring at the end. Where it passes under the cloak, erase the hidden line so the needle reads a slicing through fabric. If you like details like this, pause and take a screenshot now of the needle overlap. It makes cleaning the line art much easier. Flats only. Head in pure white, cloak in deep maroon or dark red. The needle body a soft pale pink, and the tip black. Legs black. Keep the palette flat. This matches the Silksong style and the game's stylized look. This is our first Hollow Knight tutorial. I'm building a playlist. Which character should I draw next? Drop your suggestion below and I'll make it happen. Thanks for drawing by the fire with me tonight. Keep your needle steady and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, good night.